Hey friends, we are currently here in the adventure van. We're getting ready for another mountain bike trip, this time out to Bentonville, Arkansas. So of course we had to get some new threads for the experience. On today's quick video, we're gonna be taking a closer look at Club Ride clothing. Now, this clothing is super durable. It's made for adventures, made by mountain bikers and cyclists just like you and me. For today's fit, I'm wearing the Shaka shirt with the Gold Rush pants. Now these, again, like I said, highly durable, perfect for the conditions that we're currently riding in here in Colorado. It's muddy, it's dirty. We need stuff that's really gonna hold up against all of those conditions. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the Shaka flannel shirt here. First of all, love these colors. There's multiple colors to choose from. Now this is a size large. I'm a little bit larger individual. I weigh about 190 pounds, about 6 foot. And so this is a true fit large. It fits great for me. If you're looking for something a little more slim fitting, or if you have, again, more of a slim biker design, definitely go for the medium. But again, for larger mountain bike riders like me, the large fit great. We've got a couple of really nice features of this shirt. As you can see, there's a nice little zip pocket up here at the top, maybe for some keys or something like that. We also, again, have really nice long sleeves with these nice snap buttons. And then around each of the cuff areas, both of the cuffs as well as the neck area, we have this moisture wicking material to keep you nice and dry. Again, you can see all these nice button snaps all the way down the shirt. The other thing you can find is this nice venting underneath the armpits to allow for breathability. Now looking at the back of the shirt, you can see, again, we have a nice little small logo up here at the top, as well as one of the zipper pockets down here on the bottom. Opening up that pocket, again, you can see not a ton of storage, but enough to stick a wallet and potentially even a smaller cell phone back there. Now, as far as the material goes, this is definitely durable, really durable, I would say. And so it has a touch of a rougher feel over something like cotton. Again, it's very comfortable when you're wearing it, but don't expect this to be super soft like cotton or some of the other polyester blends. Now, there's a few other really cool features about the shirt. You can see it has red light reflective. Here's a little bit more about the high performance fabrics. You can see it's quick dry and it has a ton of stretch. So again, for mountain biking, things like we're gonna use this for outdoor adventure, really, really necessary. And then this is also hugely important for us. UPF 50 blocks 90% of harmful UVB rays. This is important when we're outside, especially on these really long rides or longer adventures. We don't want to get sunburned. Now, Club Ride makes a ton of different styles. Styles are going to be perfect more for the conditions like we're going to find on our van trip to Bentonville. If you're interested in all of the things that they have to offer, you can go check them out right here on Amazon.